Um, it's well, it's state of the art now. It's fascinating to watch a crown being made and, on the computer and then being cut. I've been a patient for Dr. Rosenberg for 30 years. Very professional, very good. Never had a problem with anything. I live in Massachusetts. My regular dentist, crown kept breaking, and he told me that crown came off again. He was going to have polar tooth, and it came off again. I called Dr. Rosenberg, and he told me to come down. And fortunately, I thought to put the crown in my pocket, and he found it was a crack in the. I had had a root canal, but one of the roots was cracked, and he fixed that, and I still have the tooth in my mouth. Anytime I would recommend Dr. Rosenberg to other people.